Well, good morning and greetings, Business 22 students. This is Mr.D, and this is week number 5 in our 16-week course in business communications or managerial communications here at Norco College. This week, we're going to be looking at Chapter 7 on short workplace messages, in digital media. And so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here and take you into our homepage or my dashboard in Canvas, our homepage in Canvas. And I'm going to come down here. We're still in module number 1 for a couple of more weeks. Or actually, this week ends module number 1. So I'm going to scroll down, and here we are, week number 5 in module 1. So this is the final week of module 1. And that means that your individual presentation as well as your discussion post. Actually, I'm giving you one extra week, I believe, on your individual presentation. So you'll have one more week to do that. But your discussion post is going to be due this Sunday coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and put on here complete. Discussion post number 1. And that's going to be due on the 10th if you're watching this during the spring term of March. So that's your assignments for this week. I'm just going to go over them real briefly here. Of course, you have, once again, your check-in assignment on Chapter 7. So your 5th check-in assignment, and this is just answering a few questions. I have given you also the PowerPoint slides. There is going to be a quiz this week. Even though we are going to be doing an exam this week, I still have a quiz. Just remember, I'm going to be dropping some of those anyway, so it's a way of just making up points if you need them. So make sure you take that. Then again, you're going to be completing your discussion post. Now just remember, the discussion post is multi-parts, so you should have already made your initial post weeks ago, hopefully. Should have already by now commented on other students' lists. And remember, you're making a list of the do's and don'ts of effective business presentations. So you should have initial list, then you should have comments on other students' lists. And then this week, I want you to do your final list based off of what you learned from your original list, what you've learned in the class, what you've learned through your study of the chapters, what you've learned by looking at other students' list, and then give me your final list. And that's what I'll be looking for. So when I go to grade this assignment, I'm going to be looking for different dates for all of those submittals. And of course, if they're all on the same day, then you'll lose some points for that, because the idea here is to do it over time and to refine your list. So, and I made that pretty clear in the assignment instructions. So that's that assignment. Make sure you complete that this week. It will close and you'll not be able to do it after this Sunday. You're going to continue your individual presentation. So this is, you have one more week to go after this. So this week you should be building your presentation and getting ready to record it. And then probably sometime next week, you will record your presentation and upload it. And this is an important assignment. It's worth 20% of your grade. So if you skip it, you can't get any higher than a B, and that's if you complete every other assignment perfectly. So make sure that you do not skip turning in that individual presentation. And then, of course, this week you have your exam, your first exam. And it does include, I believe, not sure if it does in this class or not, but there may be some sentences to rewrite. But either way, it's predominantly multiple choice, and it's based off of all those chapters 1, 2, 3, 14, and 7. So that's pretty much it for week number 5. If you have any issues or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or meet me during my office hours, which are on Tuesday and Wednesday on campus. I have 2 times on Tuesday during the day and in the evening, and then I have one in the evening on Wednesday, and then I'm online and available online on Thursday. So anyway, feel free to meet me in there. You can find that information on the homepage. Just select the office hours link, and it has all the information there and how to get a hold of me. So have a great week, everybody. If you need anything, again, reach out. If not, we'll see you all, or you'll see me. You'll all